Okay, on this video I will show you how to pass the error on the Pokemon Go on the rooted phones. You normally get that error message if your Magic application is old and the firmware is old. You will get this message saying this device OS or software is not compatible with Pokemon Go Android, and you will think, oh, my phone is no good or my operating system is no good. That's not the case. The case is your Magic has the old firmware and old managers. So do that. You have to open your Magic Manager. I rename my Magic Manager to the different name. So I'm gonna open that Magic Manager. You could be using the same named calling Magic. So my app is 26.4 and the current one right now is 28.1. So first I have to update my app. It could be 27.1 or some all the way to the back version of the Magic app. So I have to bring it to the up to dated one. So that for reason I have to update the Magic app first. So I'm gonna click on the update the app and I'm gonna click on the install. It might ask you the permission. You said okay, you give the permissions, and it's saying scan. You say okay, scan the app. It's scanning it, and it say everything is okay. Install. I say okay, install that app. It's gonna install the app for me, and it say Magic updated the app. So if I open, it's saying now I have a latest one installed. Is latest 28.1, and everything is okay. I can click on this hide. So I can click on this hide, and now this is the critical part. You don't mess with it. So now I have to update the Magic Manager firmware, which is 28.1, but right now I'm running 26.4. So I click on update, and now make sure you only choose direct install. Do not use any other. Make sure choose this direct install, not anything else, and then you click on let's go. It's gonna do it automatically whatever it needs to do, and when it does that, it's gonna ask for the reboot, and you will reboot your cell phone at that time. Right now it is installing the package. So now it's saying reboot. I'm gonna pause my video and I will restart and I will come back. So right now I restart my cell phone and I'm gonna check that everything is good and connected. So I'm gonna go to my Magic Manager and see I got the latest app 28.1 and latest firmware 28.1. And also I'm gonna make sure I go to the settings. Is this top right corner, and then I go checks updates. I disable it, and then I make sure the Z6 is enabled, and these two make sure is enabled. One is disabled and one is enabled. And after that, and if I go and run the safety net check, I download this app YASNAC from the Play Store to run the safety net check. If I run the safety net check, it should be failing because either I don't have a safety net check module or my module is old. In both cases, I will fail the safety net check, so I have to upgrade my module. For that, I have to go to this website, and I go here. The website is its name root468.wordpress.com. I click on this and I say I agree. If I go all the way down, and if I go all the way, it's saying okay, say try this module pre-integrated fix. I click on it and I go here 18.3, that's the latest one. I click on the play integrated fix. Is download for me. I say okay, download. Is downloaded for me. The the module for the passing the safety net check. I go here, then I go back to my Magic. I click on the module right here on the bottom right corner. Then I go to install from the storage. These two modules, the smelly patcher and systemless, got nothing to do with the safety net check passing, so don't worry about that. If they are disabled, enable them. And after, whenever you enable any module under the Magic, you have to restart your cell phone. So I click on install and I click on these. Sometimes they normally automatically pick up the module for you. If it doesn't, then click on this three horizontal line on the top left and then go to your cell phone storage. Mine is LG V40, so I click on it. Then I go to my download folder. I have a Play integrated, just download it. I click OK and then I click OK. It's gonna install the module for me automatically, and at this point I have to restart. So I'm gonna pause the video and restart and come back. Okay, so I restart my cell phone one more time. This is the second time I restart. So I go back to my Magic Manager and then I go to my module, and my new module for the safety net check is installed and is enabled. Everything looks very good. So I go back to run my safety net check and I should be passing. So now I pass the both CTS profile and the basic integrity. So, and after that I should be good to go because I am running a newer Magic app and the newer Magic firmware, and I got the newer Magic safety net check pass module. So I got all of that, and I'm also passing the safety net check. So everything is good. I can go to the Play Store and see if there's a new update for the Pokemon Go. If there's any new updates, I can download those and we're good to go. So basically what we did, we update the manager first, then we update the firmware, and then we restart the cell phone, then we go back and download the module and we install that module and we restart the cell phone second time, and we run the safety net check is passing and everything is good, and that's it. Thank you very much. Have any question, please comment. You have a nice day.